Hey guys, I wanted to show you our Lash Wrap Mascara in action. So I've got my mascara in hand, and of course I've got my guide ring right there, and I'm going to put my index finger and my middle finger around the ring. And that means I'm now hands-free. I'm not holding onto something tight that kind of locks up my ability to move freely. And because this hand is on the steadier side, I'm going to rest my thumb on that thumb rest right there. And I'm going to go in there, and because this is a slimline brush, I'm going to get right to the very base of those lashes and build them from root to tip. And because I can build from root to tip, I can actually create a curl with this mascara. Let's see, let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to build up. It's super buildable. So if you like a lighter lash, just do a coat. If you want to really build up, you can see I'm just going over and over and over, and I don't have to go back in and get more formula, because the mascara is just beautiful, buildable, lash loving, because we have moringa oil and ginger and Japanese umibudo, and the lash wrapping technology wraps around each one of these lashes, which means when you're done, you don't have to worry about it smudging throughout the day, which for me is everything, because I am that girl. Mascaras move on me easily, so I needed to create something that wasn't going to happen, because that's never cute. So let me show you. And then when I get there, I just want to bend back just a little bit. Hold that curl in place. Maybe let's get the bottom ones a little bit. And there you go. So now you can totally see the difference between the two, right? Let's do the other eye. So for the other eye, I can do one of two things. If I want to use the same hand, then I just come over this way like this, right? And I start to apply like that. But I want to show you it in my left hand, because my left hand is shakier. And I want to give you a tip for what happens when, or what to do when that happens. So for my shakier hand, I can rely on the thumb rest, but I often find it's helpful because my hand is free. I can drop my thumb as needed to provide a little bit more grounding and steadying, because I'm trying to get really close into that lash base to really build up the lashes. You can see just a little bit of grounding, and whether you want to come in like this, sometimes we'll go lower, you'll find your comfort point. You can build those lashes. If I feel like it's a little steadier, maybe I'll go back to the thumb rest, but it gives me the option to get more control as I need it. And I'm really going to hit those little edges there, because I like to really feather out my mascara. And then when I come in underneath, I'll use my thumb here and hit the lashes this way. So there's just a few tips for you with our Lash Wrap Mascara. I hope it was helpful. Let me give you a bit of a closer look here so you can see what those lash tubes do.